Hi, I would like to show you how to use SCV files to create assignments in the gradebook. I'm going to the gradebook. Need to export the entire gradebook in order to get test student SIS number. I'm in my Excel spreadsheet now. You can see test student SIS number, and here I create new assignments. I created oral exam assignment and student presentation assignment and gave the test student some grades. I'm back in the gradebook and now going to import my CVS file. Now I'm getting the message from Canvas Gradebook that it does not recognize some assignments. I need to tell Canvas that I do want to include student presentation assignment and oral exam assignment. I'm choosing a new assignment for student presentations and giving it point value of 100 points, and I'm also choosing new assignment for oral exam and giving it 100 points. At the same time, I'm just creating another assignment since it gave me this option and giving it a point value as well. Now I'm back in the gradebook and I see the test student. I see assignment, I see student presentation, another assignment, and I created oral exam and the total points. You can also see a sample quiz unpublished, which comes within your module. So now I can give test students some points to check if my spreadsheet was set up right. And I can see that everything is in order. I can see total grade for the test student. I do not like that my assignment is just called the assignment, so I'm going to edit it from the gradebook and type a better name. I'm calling it Lab Report 1. It would be even better to be more specific than that. Now I'm back in my gradebook and I can see my assignment name was changed. I'm just changing another assignment to call it Lab Report 2 so that there is no confusion about what this assignment is. I click on a test student and I can see the test student scores for each assignment. I also can message the student right from the gradebook in case I would like the student to resubmit the assignment. I can also look at the new analytics tool for this particular student from the gradebook.